Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best train stuffed toy is probably one of the most beloved companions for children, offering endless hours of imaginative play and comfort. These plush locomotives aren't just toys, they're gateways to adventure, sparking creativity as little engineers create their own railway stories and journeys. With their soft textures and friendly designs, they provide a sense of security and become cherished friends, making them a wonderful addition to any child's toy collection, promising smiles and cherished memories for years to come. Number 5. Space Exploration Shuttle 12 in 1 STEM Building Kit. Embark on an incredible journey through space with this versatile 12 in 1 building set. It's designed for young explorers aged 6 to 12. With 566 pieces, you can construct a variety of space vehicles like shuttles, satellites, and rockets. It's perfect for building together and creating lasting memories. This set makes learning fun. It introduces kids to different space vehicles, sparks curiosity about the universe, and enhances their practical skills and imagination. Building is a breeze thanks to the easy-to-follow manual included. You'll have your space creations assembled in no time. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic materials with smooth edges, these durable blocks are built to last. Colorful stickers add an extra touch of excitement. Give the gift of adventure. This kit is ideal for birthdays and holidays, encouraging kids to imagine themselves as astronauts exploring new worlds. What we like? If you are looking for a gift that encourages learning and creativity, this is the one. It allows children to build multiple space vehicles, fostering an interest in STEM and the universe. It's perfect for kids who love building and imaginative play, offering hours of educational fun. What people say? The train is very cute and well made. It's a good size for toddlers and easy for them to hold. The wheels actually turn, which is a fun feature for imaginative play. Number 4. Pillow Pets How to Train Your Dragon Toothless Sleeptime Lite. Meet Toothless, your new best friend from How to Train Your Dragon. This adorable plush is more than just a toy, it's a magical companion for your little one. This amazing item is both a cuddly plush and a soothing night light. It casts a beautiful rainbow star display onto your ceiling, creating a dreamy atmosphere. It provides comfort during the day and a gentle light at night. With 3 light modes and a 20-minute auto-off timer, it's perfect for helping children drift off to sleep. This cozy creature helps ease fears of the dark, making bedtime more comfortable. It's also a great travel companion, offering a sense of security wherever you go. Made from the softest, high-quality plush, this item is BPA and phthalates-free. Enjoy the magical light show with its multiple color modes and convenient timer. What we like? If your child is afraid of the dark or needs a comforting bedtime companion, this is an excellent choice. It combines a soft, huggable plush with a gentle night light that projects stars, easing fears and helping them drift off to sleep. It's ideal for creating a soothing bedtime routine. What people say? The train is very soft and cuddly, perfect for little ones. It's a good size for toddlers to hold and play with. The details on the train are well made, with realistic wheels and windows. Number 3. Pillow Pets How to Train Your Dragon Toothless 16 Plush Toy. Become a Viking and take flight with this amazing dragon. He's a playful and intelligent night fury, best friends with Hiccup. Fans of the movies will love this plush. This super soft and adorable stuffed animal unfolds into a fuzzy pillow. Kids, teens, and adults will love this classic comfy critter. It's a comforting travel friend for any child on road trips or airplanes. You can also use it as a fun bedroom decoration. Children of all ages will love this original toy for play. It's also perfect as a large pillow for reading, watching TV, or nap time. This is an officially licensed item made from high-quality chenille. It's BPA and phthalates-free, and unfastens to a 16-inch pillow. To wash, simply place it in a white pillowcase, tie the open end, and use cold water on a gentle cycle. It's that easy. What we like? If you need a versatile toy that serves as both a playmate and a comfortable pillow, consider this option. It's perfect for children who enjoy imaginative play during the day and need a cozy pillow for naps or travel at night. Its machine washable feature makes it easy to keep clean. What people say? The train is very soft and cuddly, perfect for little ones. It's a good size for toddlers to hold and play with. The details on the train are well made, with realistic wheels and windows. Number 2. Coodoo Dinosaur Magnetic Tiles. Step into a prehistoric world with our new Dinosaur magnetic tiles. This exciting set includes 5 dynamic 3D dinosaurs, plus accessories to build your own prehistoric landscape. Get ready for an adventure. Unlike flat toys, these dinosaurs have movable heads and limbs. Kids can mix and match parts to create unique creatures, letting their imaginations run wild. The possibilities are endless. These tiles are perfectly sized for little hands and compatible with leading brands. Combine them with existing collections to build even bigger and better creations. More tiles mean more fun. Our dinosaur magnetic tiles offer a perfect blend of fun and education. They are designed to boost creativity, problem-solving skills, and fine motor development. It's STEM learning made exciting. Searching for a fun and educational gift? Look no further. These engaging tiles are loved by parents and teachers for developing motor skills. They make a fantastic gift for birthdays and holidays. What we like? If you're looking for a toy that sparks creativity and enhances fine motor skills, these magnetic tiles are a fantastic pick. They allow kids to build and customize their own dinosaurs with movable parts, offering endless imaginative possibilities. It's great for children who love dinosaurs and enjoy hands-on building activities. What people say? The train is very soft and cuddly, perfect for little ones. It's a good size for toddlers to hold and play with. The details on the train are well made, with bright colors that attract children. Number 1. Gemmy Big Mouth Billy Bass 15th Anniversary. Get ready to groove with the 15th anniversary edition of this iconic singing fish. It's the perfect way to bring joy and laughter to your home. This package includes everything you need for an instant celebration. No need to search for extra parts, it's all right here. Setting it up is a breeze. You'll have it ready to entertain in just minutes, making decorating for any occasion incredibly simple. When the festivities are over, it conveniently collapses down. Storing it away during the off-season is quick and hassle-free. Add a touch of happiness and unique charm to your decor. This festive decoration is sure to be a hit with everyone. What we like? If you want to add a fun and unique touch to your holiday decorations, this animated piece is a great choice. It's quick and easy to set up, providing instant entertainment and a festive atmosphere. It's perfect for those who enjoy quirky and memorable holiday displays. What people say? The train is soft and cuddly, perfect for little hands to hold. It's a good size for travel, not too big or too small. The details on the train are well made, with realistic wheels and windows. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.